Okay, lights are in. I didn't get to do the backlights yet. I need to get a connector for the flight controller. This way I could run the wires to do the backlights, but eventually I'll get them. Here's one. That's two. 3, 4, 5, 6, quite a bit, 7, and 8, and back to 1. Looks like 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 1. Oh, maybe 5. Where did I get 8? Coming down. Up, that's 2, 3, 4, 5, and 1. Okay, 5 maybe? That's still not bad. But she's all bound up. I got C, AS3X. Well, no AS3X. Well, unless I do the throttle. Hold on. Oh yeah. Got AS3X. C. Aileron. Pretty good. Well done. Alright, have a nice day. Well, I want to do the backlights, which I'm going to wire up a harness now and see if I have a plug that I can use for the flight control board. Alright, have a nice day. See you on the next flight. See you on the maiden with this.